Hello guys, good afternoon Philippines, good morning UAE. Anyway, see, I need to sign an important document for sunlight. This where my salary goes to pay for my policy in the Philippines. Anyway, this is for retirement anyway. But before I sign this, I need to read all the what is written here so that I won't be mistaken, because this is important. This is for my retirement when I retire anyway. I learned all this when I attended the financial literacy seminar that given by the former ambassador here in UAE before, Madam Princesa. But from the consulate Abu Dhabi ambassador, I need to this is from my advisor, financial advisor in Sunlight. They send this to me because of the crash economy of the local Philippine stock market. Need to change into global market. Piso global tick grupan, because it's the money that I put in my policy, instead of earning it, the inflation rate is eating the money. Lugi in Tagalog. That's why I need to transfer into the international stock market, the global market, not a local Philippine market. Anyway, this is what part of my dreams and goals, building my retirement plan, so that when I retire I have something to Anyway, that's all for now. Before I sign this one, I need to read all what is written here. Signature assigning, signature irrevocable beneficiary. Signature I don't have my beneficiary here. They are all in the Philippines. Printed name. Address of witness. No straight name. Receipt code. Witness Sunlight advisor. Write the NBO advisor code. If Sunlight employer, write the client and service center. Client portal. I cannot create a portal. I try, but error, always error. There is here, acknowledgement and agreement continuation. Do I need to this in power of attorney? Notarization before me and notary public for in the city of this day of the issued known to me and to me known to be same person who executed it. Foregoing document that is duly signed by Notary Public. Oh, I don't understand about the other here. Signature of assignee. Monday here. Date of signing. I don't have any, my beneficiary is not here, so place of signing. I need to call Ma'am Carla about this because I don't understand about this. Before me, a notary public. I don't know if I need to bring this in the embassy to have a notary public for the lawyer. 2030. Future deposit. Well, before I try this one, I need to call Ma'am Carla or Sir Darwin. That's all for now, guys. If you like my video, don't forget to click like, heart, leave a comment, suggestion, and of course, don't forget to share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye. I try to call Ma'am Carla.